What if I told you that much of what we've been taught about exercise after 55 isn't completely true? For years, we've heard that long walks, heavy sweating, and pushing ourselves to exhaustion are the only ways to stay fit and protect our hearts. But the truth is, those approaches can often leave you feeling drained, not energized. Today, we're going to flip that idea upside down. You're about to discover 5 gentle movements that can build more strength, balance, and vitality than hours of hard workouts. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs feeling heavy, getting tired faster, or just not having that same spark you used to, you're not alone. Most of what people call aging is really about circulation, muscle tone, and posture. And the best part? You can improve all of those with a few simple daily habits. These movements work with your body, not against it, and within just a couple of weeks, you'll start feeling lighter, steadier, and more confident. Let's begin with your calves, often called your second heart. Sounds strange, right? But every time you flex those muscles, they help pump blood back up to your heart. When that pump slows down, swelling, heaviness, and fatigue start creeping in. While sitting, place your feet flat on the floor. Lift your heels while keeping your toes down. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Next, lift your toes while your heels stay grounded. You don't even need to stand up. This tiny movement wakes up circulation and sends fresh, oxygen-rich blood through your legs. Do a few repetitions. You might already feel a gentle warmth spreading through your calves. Now let's move to something unexpected, your hands and forearms. Strong grip strength is a powerful sign of heart and overall health. Research shows that squeezing something as simple as a tennis ball for short periods can keep your blood vessels flexible and help maintain healthy blood pressure. Sit comfortably. Hold a ball or rolled towel and gently squeeze for 5 seconds while breathing normally. Release slowly and repeat. Keep it steady, not too hard. A few minutes a day can improve circulation and preserve grip strength, which is key for independence as we age. Next up, your quadriceps, the muscles that let you stand, climb stairs, and move freely. Sit tall with your back straight. Extend one leg forward until your knee is straight. Hold for a moment, then lower slowly. Switch legs and repeat. These simple leg lifts strengthen the very muscles that protect your knees and hips. Over time, try holding that leg out for longer. Even a few extra seconds trains endurance, helping you walk longer, stand steadier, and tackle stairs with ease. Now let's strengthen your upper body. Stand a comfortable distance from a wall with your palms flat against it at chest height. Bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall, then push yourself back. This gentle standing push-up builds your chest, shoulders, and arms, and opens your posture. When your shoulders roll back and your chest expands, you breathe deeper, your body gets more oxygen, and your mood naturally lifts. All 5 of these movements may seem small, but together they form a powerful routine. They boost circulation, strengthen key muscles, improve balance, and support your heart and lungs, without long walks or hours at the gym. The real secret isn't intensity, it's consistency. Just a few minutes a day can bring lasting results. Picture yourself 2 weeks from now. Your legs feel lighter, your breathing is easier, and your body responds with energy instead of fatigue. That's what smart, consistent movement can do. So, start today. Pick 1 or 2 of these exercises and try them right after this video. Add the others over time. You're sending a clear message to yourself. I deserve to feel strong. I deserve to feel alive. And I deserve independence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-based health tips and share it with someone who could use a little boost. Let me know in the comments which movement you'll start with, and I'll see you in the next video.